You suffered horrible injuries following surgery, and now you've brought a lawsuit. But wait, during the course of your follow-up conversation with the surgeon, your wife wound up videotaping that conversation between you and your surgeon. And during that conversation, he did something you never expected. He apologized to you for screwing up. Do you have to disclose that particular video when you bring your lawsuit so the defense knows about it? Or can you spring it on them at trial? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. You know, this is similar to a guy who went in for a colonoscopy and he turned on his iPhone to record the audio so that now when he woke up and the doctor gave him postoperative instructions, he'd remember it, so now he wouldn't have to call the doctor back to tell him what to do. Well, it turns out that on that audio recording, the doctor and the staff during the course of the colonoscopy said some horrible, horrible things for which he was ultimately successful in bringing a lawsuit against the doctor and the staff who made those horrible comments. So now here's the scenario. You have a conversation with your doctor after surgery. Your wife goes ahead and videotapes that conversation. The doctor doesn't realize it. You don't even realize it. It's only afterwards that your wife tells you, hey, by the way, I videotaped that whole conversation. It turns out, you play it back, the doctor not only apologized for what happened, but he basically said that he screwed up and he made a mistake. And now let's focus on trying to get you better. Do you have to disclose that information, that you've got this video, to the defense when you bring your lawsuit? The answer is, if you intend on using that video at the time of trial, you absolutely have an obligation to disclose that information. Not only that, but you have to provide the defense with a copy of that video so they can see it before we have an opportunity to question the doctor whom you have sued. Why is that? It's because this is no longer trial by ambush. We have to provide all the necessary documents, records, information, whatever we have in our possession about this particular incident. Likewise, the defense has to do the same thing. So if you intend on using that video to show to the jury that yes, this doctor admitted he screwed up, yes, then you have a legal obligation to turn that over to the defense to tell them about it. Otherwise, you can't simply spring it on them at the time of the deposition or at the time of trial. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you because this comes up from time to time. Now that people are videotaping everything, on occasion, you have a conversation between patient and doctor that happens to be videotaped where the doctor makes an admission and recognizes, you know what, maybe I didn't do the right thing here, but let's move forward. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions just like yours every single day, and I'd love the opportunity to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.